We don't know what we don't know, right? So you don't know the amount of effort and work you are putting in on a particular thing until a solution is provided to you to reveal how much time was wasted with the tedious task of A, B, and C. And what FornyVault has done was streamline all that.
Using FornyVault has allowed us to just have a larger work capacity in the lab. The ease of use, the speed of scanning a label and all the information immediately being filled in has allowed me to be much more productive in my work. Duke City Ready Mix is a concrete provider in the city of Albuquerque in New Mexico. Most of our customer base is commercial, so we're doing buildings, bridges, hospitals, a lot of the large infrastructure in the city. Quality control is very important at Duke City. The way that we assure that we have good quality is we have our own lab department and we have a large team in the field. Our quality control representatives collect samples from the back of our truck. They perform tests on the properties of the wet concrete. Then they cast cylinders, which are then entered into FornyVault.
So when they're out there side by side testing with another job or getting mixes that we need data on, they're able to put all that wet property, concrete properties inside of the app. And then that app transfers that data to the software, and then I'm able to track it. FornyVault is extremely accessible for our field techs. The way that they use it is very accessible, it's very easy. The amount of training is very minimal. The tech is not trying to figure out, oh, what do I put here? What do I put there? How do I move on to that? No, it doesn't do that, right? So you have this line item list that's very accessible. You type in the relevant information as described in the right below the box, and then you just move on to the next section. And it's just pressing buttons. And not only that, so say you cast a set, but you're not in tomorrow, right? So who's gonna pick up that set? Well, what FornyVault has is they have a pin drop, and you can identify where your set was placed very specifically. For that information to be shared is so efficient for the tech that is picking up somebody else's sets, right? And there's not this excessive amount of back and forth communication. It's just bam, here, got it, press a button, take me there, picked it up, claim, good, ready.
When cylinders arrive at the lab, I'm able to strip them of their forms and apply labels to them, which are printed using FornyVault.
And this printer sticker has the ability to withstand the lime water inside your curing tank, so it doesn't like erase the actual barcode or anything like that. The way I used to do them is a Sharpie, right? Well, not all Sharpies withstand lime water, and the amount of time that it takes to write on 9 cylinders per set on each one is pretty significant, and time is money. It also enables the technician not to mess up the sets. If you get 150 cylinders a week, what's gonna happen? It's bound to get messed up or lost in the shuffle something, and what the sticker system has done is that it has enabled us to organize, to easily identify, and be extremely efficient in our processes.
Once that has been done, we break them at the appropriate time.
So the data compilation associated with our mixes were all third party. All that data was compiled in Excel format, right? Hundreds of tabs, right? That is not the case no more. All I have to do is look up on a particular part on the software, export mix performance, give a date range, and it populates all of it. I have my temperature, my slump, my air content, my 7 days, my 28, 56, everything.
When the cylinders have been broken, the data from that break goes back into the FornyVault. It's tied directly to that cylinder. It can't be altered. It can't be assigned to a different cylinder.
So say I got a customer, right? He needs a high early. I need to get on this concrete in 3 days. I ordered 1500 PSI over design to account for this. What can you guys do? Can you guys tell me what my performance would be? Absolutely. Actually, I'll just share it with you. I'm not going to tell you. I'll just share the whole document with you, right? And what does that do? It provides a sense of security, a sense of trustworthiness that the individual that's supplying you this material or this product is giving you everything in association with that, from the proportions, from the performance, the ramp rate, everything in its entirety. And that really solidifies the trust and the partnership in our company with the vendors.
I would recommend FornyVault to another ready mix producer because of the confidence it allows us to have in our products.
If you are a concrete producer and you care about quality and consistency, this is for you, and that will serve you as a producer, but it'll also serve the people that you're servicing as well, because you'll know the pulse of your mix design and how it's performing.